Hi folks, it's Moz here, and on today's workbench I have another catalogue. This time we're going to go through page by page this Airfix 2007 catalogue. So if you've never been on my channel before, I basically film these catalogues page by page so you can see what was in them. If you don't like the music, just turn the music off. Just turn the volume down. But if you like it, fair enough. You can also pause at any moment. I basically flick through the pages every 5 seconds, and we go through. This was quite a short one actually for Airfix. Normally they're like over 100 pages. This one's about 80 pages, but it's got a lot of good visuals in it. I think this is one of the better ones they did. There's something really appealing to this catalogue that I really like. But anyway, it's up for you to decide and judge. As I said, just press pause if you see something that you like, and I'll see you after we've gone through the catalogue. So then, what do you think of this catalogue? As I said, I just felt that, you know, after seeing the later ones, like the ones that we're used to now, it this just feels more like a magazine, and I quite like that. For instance, I love this, where they've got a little logo like this, and it just says new decals. You know, nowadays it just says new scheme in a little square box. But it's things like this that really, you know, when you see that, you think of a new scheme, don't you, or a decal. You know, you got that roundel. It just looks and feels better. The way, you know, this was their starter set range, and you can just see how it all looks. It just feels fresher. Do you understand? It's not corporate. It's more fun. You know, this was the year of the robot gear stuff, or robo gear, I should say. I never remember this really. I didn't build any of this, but I know that it was quite popular. And you know, when you have like open spreads like this, you know, talking about, you know, it just, the way it feels, the way it looks, it's something that you can grab and have a good read of. But yeah, as I said, I feel that the catalogue they have now is just too much full of stuff. You know, you want it to really shine through, like pages like this. You know, it just pops. Do you know what I mean? It really does pop, and that's why I said that this is, you know, when I look through the catalogue myself, the way it's all set out, you know, it's like a magazine that you can read. But yeah, I was impressed. I like the way it's all been done. Yeah, I enjoy it. And on the back, you had a little pocket there, which they had the Umbro in, which I prefer. I think that's what they need to do now. Just have this. It's got a color guide in it and everything. I think that the Umbro stuff needs its own catalogue, because it just takes up too much of the Airfix one. But yeah, there you go. That's really my take on this catalogue. I enjoyed having a look through it when I was doing it page by page, and then I went back through and saw some things that I like. But yeah, I think that's one of the better catalogues that they have produced, and I've got more like this to come. So then, that's it from me. If you enjoyed that video, will you do us a favour and give it a like? It really does help in the algorithm. If you've got any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below, because I do reply. Also, if you're liking what I'm putting out on this channel and you don't want to miss my next video, please click subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and be notified when I release a new video. A huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. I do a weekly live stream just for channel members only, and I often we just have a really good chat. It's a really good time, but it's only for channel members. In the four corners here, there will be a video or a playlist of other videos that are on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.